Okay, number 13. I'm just about to remove the timing chain. 2.5 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine. And there's a washer there that I probably should be careful with. So come on, get the fuck out of there. And we'll get that out there. So keep that bolt and everything. This looks really nice, I think. There is no mark here. Because the purpose of this is just to tighten up the chain. It has nothing to do with timing. Because you have one mark there, maybe you can see that, and one mark there, and probably one mark down here on the cam shaft. Remove this tensioner as well. I came over a Haynes manual workshop book. From eBay. I should probably have this here, but I forgot it at home. But I think this is not, you don't have to be a brain surgeon to get the hang of this. Probably. Nothing loose here. No. Well, this one looks pretty good, I think. Maybe I could put that back so I don't lose that one. Okay, so this is the timing chain, and it, according to me, looks pretty good, I guess. Oh, this nut, bolt is quite a bit punished. Would give that a little bit of violence to the, so I don't damage the fucking Yengwood. I don't know what it's called. Okay, I'm back. So I got myself a rubber hammer so I don't damage the bolt. And now it looks pretty square to me. Okay, so get rid of the timing chain like this probably, and this is the cam shaft. It looks really good to be a 84 model. I put a white mark there. Okay, gently slide that off. And it cannot be mounted anyway other way than this larger spline here goes on that axle. So probably, yeah, twist it around until you come over there, maybe somewhere. Yeah, and the white mark is over there. So this is nothing to worry about. I'm rebuilding this engine, this car engine, and I am going to convert it into a marine engine. And I'm using the Indenor xd3t. And I will refit all the different kinds of facilities that goes with the marine motor, like the exhaust pipe, the cooler exchanger here. I think, yeah, it's on this side. And this is an oil pipe that I probably should be taken off. Okay, guys, so now I have loosened some bolts around here on this plate, so this will come loose in a minute or so. And that was the reason why the camshaft gear didn't came out, because this is lapping over the wheel in here. So let's take away this plate. So this is my indication, as I said. Now, the plate is loose around, it's lying there, no more bolts like this, gear from the camshaft, holding it together. I can't get this out because that is... As I said before, it was this plate holding the camshaft gear, so I've turned it upside down, and I'm going to loosen up this plate and get the camshaft out. So let's see. There it goes. And there it goes. And I got to loosen up this plate. So I'm going this way. And I'm going probably that way. Yes. So get rid of this long pole here. Camshaft. Come on. So, and yes, it's out. And so now I can get rid of this crankshaft and work with these two cylinders that is stuck in the block. So I'm loosening these bolts over here, and hopefully I can bash those pistons out of the block. Okay, see you. Yes, the crankshaft is loose finally on this Friday evening, so I'm gonna lift it up. It's a victory for me this day. Came so far, and then I'm going to beat the shit out of the pistons. Yeah, I'm going to lift it up and see if I can film this, tape this, not bashing the phone into the floor, into the concrete floor. Where are you? There are you. So maybe. I believe it's heavy. Yes, it is. Come on, coming up. Crankshaft is out. Good boy. There it is. Ooh. So here it is, number 1. Maybe it's number 4. I'm not quite sure if you are counting from the flywheel, which is sitting there. So probably this would be cylinder number 1, 2 loose, 3 loose, and number 4 stuck, and number 1 is stuck. But now I think I can bash those bastards down, maybe. It's much more easier. So I flip the block around 180 degrees and see if I can beat them up. See you. So after about a month baiting with ATF transmission oil and some diesel in the cylinder, I got out the crankshaft, and now I am dealing with the last cylinder, the last piston. I've got out these other 3. This is the last one, so I maybe I can record this as well. So this is the last clip of the day. Yep. Ah, stand still there. Be careful not to drop the piston in the concrete floor below. Come on, bastard. 5 fucking weeks of preparation. Yeah. Ha. Good job, buddy. Oh geez. Lots of water in this cylinder. So the oil ring and the scraper ring, I can't even see them. No wonder it was stuck that hard. Yeah, I believe it was that way. You shouldn't mess around with this. Oh. Good.
För Falk som har varit så formstark i både Häcken och landslaget sitter nu ner i eget målområde och det tar sig för många kroppsdelar uppemot axeln också, nyckelbenet, prata med läkarna där. Vi återkommer från Gamla Ullevi. Det är inget spel just nu.
Alldeles strax tillbaka till Susanna och Johan och beskedet med den svenska målvakten Falk som alltså är nere för räkning just nu. Men det ska handla om hockey och vi börjar i Hockeyallsvenskan först. Ja, det är paus nu mellan Brynäs och Karlskoga. Kvällens pågående Hockeyallsvenska semifinal 1.
Ja, det är nästan så att franska spelarna har någon slags fotboja. De bollen är längre än 2 sekunder i mitten av planen. Då börjar det skickas lite stötar ut mot fötterna som hanterar bollarna. För det ska ut på kanten direkt.
Ja, men verkligen så är det. Man har gjort sin läxa och vet vad Sverige gjorde bra mot England.
Olfe får en frispark dock bara på egen planhalva. Det återstår halvminuten utav tilläggstiden och
så samma sak, de har 3-1 i matchserien.
Hello there. Saturday, the 20th of April, and I am going to refit the piston with the connecting rods. I've just started with the circlip here, and I'm using the red line synthetic oil to make it easier. So I have the Gungeon pin here. Hopefully it goes in quite easy. Yep. I've got myself a really nice handmade hammer with brass and with plastic ends. So not too far. I think that's enough. And be careful not to turn this connecting rod the wrong way, and I call it the mushroom. It should be like this towards me. So I know you can heat the different metal heat up, but it goes in quite easy, so it's not necessary, I think. No, it's loose, doing great. A bit more. Yep. And the circlip on the other side stops the gudgeon pin to go all the way through. So I think that is enough. And one more circlip on this side. It's in. It's in, I think. I have to be very sure about this, of course. It would be devastating if this looses up in the engine block. Yes, I think there it is. Ready for the next one. Good. And I've ordered a set of piston rings for 94mm pistons. I'm doing that in maybe 20 minutes. So here's the last one. There. The gudgeon pin and the circuit. There it is. A little bit of grease there. No. That's fine. Then the last anchor rod. The grease in here. The grease here. Yep. No. It's on here. Should I turn it that way around? Oh, there it is. The plastic side. Good. Too far. Let's take that way. I saw a clip from, I don't know where it was, YouTube, I guess, that this have to be loose, sliding on both sides, very easy, and of course this movement here. Yeah, good. And the last circlip, where is it? Over here. Yep. Bit of grease. Careful not to drop it before it's in. Could damage your eyes. I've heard from the experts. There it is. Good. Looking good. So this is number one. And okay, here are the other ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. really smart to mark them up like this. 2, 3. Okay, see you. Okay, this is the step that I've been a bit nervous about, because I've heard that it's quite easy to break the piston rings when mounting it. So far I've done 2 of them, and hopefully I managed to fix these other 2. Just checking out that. Yep. And you're supposed to do it like this. Take out this one, the spring, or the, what do you say, the feather maybe. There's a gap here, so put that on carefully and put it together back where it come from. So I guess this is the oil ring. Yeah. So very gently. Has to be inside the ring. So. Yes. And done. Good. The next one. The thin one in between. You have to go over there. Oh, no. You shouldn't go in there. Just a bit. Yes. And the last one. Good. Good. Where is that? Nice. Nice picture. This one. There is. I believe I'm doing it on half the time now. But I'm still a bit worried about cracking it. So, this is the last one. 12 rings mounted. Don't say too much before it's done. Come on. Yes. Finished. I'm using this cloth to polish a bit here. And I think that if you're thinking clockwise, you should twist the rings like on 10 minutes past, no, at 12, at 6 and at 8. So the gap is on different sides. Okay, done.